Hey guys, so this is a really quick eyebrow tutorial on how I'm able to achieve this very simple microblade effect look on my natural eyebrows. My natural eyebrows are actually very thin, so this video is aimed more to help anybody who has naturally quite thin eyebrows and would like to achieve a pretty hassle-free way of filling their eyebrows in to define the shape a little bit more, to give the eyebrows a fuller look. Okay guys, so these are my eyebrows in their true form. As you can see, they are very thin. I don't have bushy eyebrows at all. And what I start by doing is using my Rimmel eyebrow pencil, but I do make sure that it's very well sharpened because that really does help define the look that I'm going for. And what I do is start by applying really gentle strokes that follow the natural shape of my eyebrows. So as you can see me doing here, I just apply gentle upward strokes, just following my natural eyebrow curve as I go along, and using the strokes I add the amount of width and thickness that I would like to apply to my eyebrow for the desired look that I wish to have, which to be honest is just to complement my natural eyebrow shape, because really what I'm trying to do is just make my eyebrows look a little bit more fuller, make it look like I actually have eyebrows, because I'm not too convinced with my natural brows on their own. So I just continue to stroke out my eyebrows with the pencil, and I apply thinner strokes as I near the end, just so that it does maintain that natural definition. Before I fill in my left eyebrow, what I do is just sharpen my Rimmel pencil again. And what I've done this time is just sort of sped up the recording a little bit, because I think from my right eyebrow you've hopefully got the gist of what I was doing. And as you can see me doing here on my left eyebrow, I just follow the same method and apply gentle upward strokes from the inside of my eyebrow all the way to the outside. And don't worry if you make any mistakes, because with this method you can actually go back and correct things even after applying concealer. And here we are. It's really handy to use a concealer that matches your skin tone, and for me, I just feel like the concealer adds an extra level of definition to the finish that I would like. And as you see me doing here, I just gently apply my concealer at the base of my eyebrow, just to give that extra definition, as you can see forming in what I'm doing there. And then I just continue and again apply the concealer at the base of my right eyebrow, again just applying more definition also. Once I've applied my concealer, now really I should be using a makeup sponge to do this. I do have one, I just don't know why I don't use it. I always like to use my finger for some reason, whatever is more comfortable for you. But I tend to use my finger just to blend out the concealer to match into my skin, so it's not so prominent and in your face, but at the same time still providing that definition to the eyebrow that you're after. Now here you see me highlighting where I feel like I may need to just top up the eyebrow strokes that I've applied with my eyebrow pencil, because at the moment my right eyebrow is not as thick as my left eyebrow. So I just go back and apply a few extra strokes on my right eyebrow, as you see me doing there, and voila, now they're looking a lot more matching. Okay guys, so I'm pretty much done. I've got my nice natural finish. It does have a bit of a microblading effect, which is what I love about this method, and also it is really quick. So once I've got my eyelashes on, I am pretty much ready to go. So this is a really quick, easy method, doesn't take too much time, doesn't take a lot of products, and it's just for people who have quite thin eyebrows naturally, just want to give it a bit of definition, a bit of thickness, a bit of shape your face. And once I've slapped on my eyelashes, my look is pretty much complete, because I'm not really a heavy makeup person. But I do hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I do look forward to seeing you guys again on my next video. Take care.